How to find old maps on Google Earth. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing is for you to go to your Google Earth app, but just in case you don't have it, let me show you how quickly you can download it. Now head over to any browser of your choice and then go to the search bar and type in Google Earth Pro. And then you want to tap on the first option. Now go ahead to click on Google Earth Pro on desktop. Tap on it. Now tap on Download Earth Pro on desktop. Now after it's done downloading, you want to go ahead and install it just as you do for all your applications. Now to find old maps on Google Earth, you have to go back to your application and then you want to go to the search bar and type in the location you would like to view the old map today. Now after typing, you want to click on search. Now as you can see, this is the location that I wanted. Now for you to see the old maps of this, you have to head over to the right hand side of your screen and you want to click on view, and now you're going to be tapping on historical image. Now if you check on top of your screen, you would notice that there's a range of different years, and now for you to see old maps, you have to be changing the years into that particular year you would like to see what the map looks like. And guys, as you can see, this is me just changing the years and you would notice that the map is changing, and this is exactly how you can find old maps using Google Earth. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.